Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm going to be teaching you my 3 favorite stitches that I think every single crocheter should know. I know that if you are a crocheter, you know how to do like your single crochet and your half double crochet and your double crochet, which are technically the 3 main stitches that you need to pretty much be able to do anything. But I'm going to show you my 3 favorite after that. So something to boost your skills a little bit and get a little bit more comfortable with more advanced patterns and learn more skills. I'm super excited about this one, so stick with me and we'll get right to it. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below to sign up for Happily Hooked magazine, you're also getting these amazing ergonomic hooks, this super cute yarn bag, plus you get our Pattern Pack Pro every single month, as well as your membership to Happily Hooked. So make sure you click the link below, find out all the details, and I'll see you in the community. Bye guys.
Alright, so today, like I said, I'm going to teach you guys how to do my top 3 stitches that I think you need to know. Obviously you know like your single crochet, your half double crochet, and your double crochet, but these are my 3 favorite stitches. I think they just change the game when you are crocheting. So I'm going to show you how to do a foundation single crochet, a foundation half double crochet, and a foundation double crochet. Now these are all pretty similar to a normal single, half double, or double crochet, but they do help make things so much easier. So we just start with our slip knot and put our hook on there. Now for a foundation single crochet, you're going to chain 2, and then in this first stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1, and then yarn over and finish your stitch. So now for the second stitch, we're going to kind of twist it a little bit, and we're going to go into the stitch that we just created, that chain 1, and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1, and then yarn over and pull through. And we're just going to go through these 2 bars on the back. So when you're looking from the side, right now the side closest to your hook is the top of your row, and the side furthest from your hook is the bottom of your row. But you always want to do a chain 1 because that's what will make us go further. So we go through both on the back, make sure you've got both loops on there, both bars on that hook, and then we'll chain 1, and then we will single crochet. So we go, and you kind of want to like work with your tension a little bit. Obviously I'm a little tight here, so it's a little trickier. So go through both bars on the back, yarn over and chain 1, and then single crochet. And so this is your single crochet row. So say you got to the end of it and you wanted to flip it around, you'll just chain 1 like normal, and then you would just start going back through your stitches. Now we're going to do our half double crochet, which is very similar in concept. So we'll do our slip knot, and we're going to chain 2 again. But with a half double crochet, you always yarn over first. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into this first stitch, so not the one closest to your hook, but the first one that we did. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and we're going to chain 1. So just go through that first bar, that first loop on your hook. We'll still have the 3 on there, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So we'll yarn over again, go through both bars on the bottom, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete your half double crochet. And then you would do the same thing that we did for the single crochet. At the end you'll chain 1 or chain 2. I always chain 1 at the end of my half double crochets. I think it just looks prettier. I've always done it that way. It might just be because I crochet a little bit tighter. But then you would just go back through like normal and do your half double crochets. And so that would be your foundation row for your half double crochets. And then for double crochets, we will chain 3 because it's a double crochet, so we'll chain 3, yarn over and insert into the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through your first loop to make your chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we'll yarn over again, go into the bottom stitch, that chain stitch, yarn over, chain 1, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert into the chain, one, two, two, and then you chain 2, turn your work around, and continue it like normal. And obviously you could go into the top of this one. I just didn't because I didn't go far enough. There we go. So my favorite part about the foundation stitches is this bottom row is still a row and it doesn't flex in. So you know when you make like a big chain, the bottom will kind of curve and be too tight and then the top will kind of fan out. This keeps it even all the way across, and it doesn't for all of them. With the half double crochets you'll still get your third loop, which is really nice. I love the way foundation stitches work. So yeah, so if you have any questions about the foundation stitches, if you need me to if you want to learn different stitches, let me know what stitches you want to learn in the comments. But yeah, if you use foundation, let me know how much you love them, or if you don't use them at all, because I do know some people that just don't like them, but maybe this will help and you'll be able to do it a little bit easier. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!